Okay, training compute estimation law. So, ito yung sa machine learning. No? Ito yung pag-estimate ng flaps. Floating point operations per second, no, sa mga machine learning hardwares and application. So, formula is C is equal to 6 times N times T. Yung C is training compute. So, estimation lang to. Bakit 6? Ayan, ilagay na natin. Bakit 6? 2 tokens forward, 4 tokens backward. So, forward and backward yun. Kaya 6. So, ayan. Gumawa tayo na example. Yung C is training compute, N model parameters, D is number of tokens. So, ayan. Nagbigay tayo ng example. So, lumabas dun sa ating example na 1,800 flaps. So, elaborate pa natin yung model parameters na yan, yung number of tokens yan, hardware tokens yan. I-elaborate pa natin yan mamaya. So, yun lang po.